Welcome to Computer Online class. On the last turn we were on unit 3rd. On this turn also we will be continuing unit 3rd, that is digital documentation. Today we will be studying about printing the documents and some of its part. So let's start. The first topic is printing a document. How do we print a document? To quickly print the document without any option, click the print icon. So if you want to quickly print the document without using any option, you can simply press the print icon. The entire document will be sent to the default printer defined from your computer. So the full document, entire document will be sent to the default printer defined by your computer. For printing the document, you can simply go on file option and then you can click on print over there, or you can go on this print file directly button and then you can select the printer over there and then click on print button. Print preview. Print preview shows you the preview of the work which you have done and which you want to print. Print preview is used to check the document before printing. A user can check whether a document is prepared as needed, such as indentation, border, etc. So user can check whether document which we are printing is as per his requirement, such as indentation, borders, each and everything. You can see in the figure also print preview. Move to previous, next page, how many pages to preview, zoom in, preview, zoom out, full screen, all these things. Controlling printing. To print the document with certain option, use the print dialog, file, print or control plus P. So if you want to print a document with certain option, use the print dialog box. You can go on file option and click on print over there, or you simply press control plus P. So window 1 is the first window is showing the print dialog box. From this we can select option as per our requirement. If you want to change the properties, we can do it also. If you want the number of copies like 1, 2, 3, 4, we can select number of copies over here also. We can select the range. From here also we can select the printer as which we are having, or we can select the name of the printer also. You can see in the diagram. From the properties, you can change the properties also. If you want the number of copies, we can increase the number of the copies over there also. If you want the all pages, then we can click on all pages also. Then the printer name, we can select it from here. Print all pages, single and multiple pages. One can select the printing option as per their choice. There are 3 options to print the number of pages in the document, that is all pages, page and selection. So we can select the printing option as per our requirement which we want. There are 3 options for printing the number of pages in the document. The options are all pages, then page and then selection. In the diagram you can see that print all pages in sequence. You can select all pages. If you want to print all pages in a print all the pages, single or number of the non-consecutive numbers, we can choose over from here, page 1 or 3. We can give the page number separately also by using the comma sign. And if you want to print the pages that are consecutive, then we can select we can give the range of the first and the last page, for example 5 to 9. And for choosing the selected text, we can click on the selection also. Printing brochures. How we can print the brochures? Steps are given over here. Open the document you want to print. We have to first open the document that we want to print. Then set the page orientation. You have to set the page orientation, that is portrait or landscape. You can select from there. Then click file menu, print command, and then you can click on the file menu, print command. It will open the print dialog. Here select the page layout tab. It will open the dialog. Then from there you can select the page layout tab. From the layout section, choose the brochure button, and from going to the layout section, you can choose the brochure button also. From the page side section, select back side left page from the page side drop down. Now click print the left side page. From the page side section, you can select the back side left page from the page side drop down also. Then from Now you can click print the left side page. Now the left page of your document will be printed. Place these printed pages again into your printer tray for printing the right side pages. And for printing the right side pages, click on file print command again and then select the right page from the page side drop down and then click on the print button to print the right side page, and you have your printed brochure. So you will get your printed brochure. So that's all for today. I am providing you the link also for the practical. You can see it practically also. Complete all your work on time and go through the practical and understand the topics by the practical also. Thank you.